Assalamu alaikum. The knowledge of the Holy Quran. This is the second video. So, top 5 knowledge. Number first, how many ruku are in Holy Quran? 1000 ruku are in Holy Quran. Number 2, how many stop waqf are in Holy Quran? There are 5098 stop are in Holy Quran. Number 3, how many tasdeed are in Holy Quran? There are 19,253 tasdeed are in Holy Quran. Number 4, how many letters are in Holy Quran? There are 3 lakhs 23,671 letters are in Holy Quran. Number 5, how many page are in Holy Quran? There are 4,808 page are in Holy Quran.